Hi guys, this is Jelebi. Jelebi is one of the most popular desserts in India and is enjoyed equally across Indian states. This crispy and crunchy dessert is dipped in sugar syrup and is loaded with flavors. It is perhaps one of the simplest and most delicious Indian sweets. Jelebi is not just a dessert, but even part of morning breakfast and evening snacks in several parts of India. See, this is jalebi batter. Making jalebi is very simple and it takes about 30 minutes only. Jalebi is made with most common ingredients like flour, corn flour, curd, suji, maida, baking soda, moong dal, etc. But you can add saffron, ghee, essence and color also. For making jalebi, first make the batter, mixing all the said ingredients and adding water. Mix oil until it is thick but has a slightly flowing consistency. Keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours for fermentation. So, batter is ready. Now, with the help of a squeezing bottle or so, place the batter in the heated oil as you are watching. And placing should be in a special manner in round shape. And let it be fried. It is kept in low flame so that the jalebi can be made crispy. It is to be fried all round till it gives a good golden brown color. So, the jalebi has achieved its deep golden brown color. It means the frying is complete. Now, put the jalebi in warm sugar syrup previously made and soak the jalebi for 3 to 4 minutes in the syrup. But sugar syrup should not be hot. It should be in warm condition. And then after 3 to 4 minutes, remove the jalebis from syrup and place it on a tray with lining with the butter, paper or foil, etc. So viewers, this crispy, crunchy and delicious jalebi is completely ready to serve. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please send your comment how you enjoyed this video, and I will request to you all to please subscribe the channel, those who have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon so that all the videos can reach to you in time. Thank you.